Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
can you tell me where the train station is?
Which train station are you looking for?
I am looking for King's Cross Station.
Oh, King's Cross Station. It is not far from here.
Can you please tell me how to get there?
Sure. Go straight down this road until you see a big red building.
A big red building?
Yes, that's right. When you see the red building, turn left.
Okay, I turn left at the big red building.
Yes. After you turn left, walk for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yes. You will see a large park on your right.
A large park on my right. Got it.
Keep walking straight until you see a tall clock tower.
A tall clock tower. Okay,
The entrance to King's Cross Station is just next to the clock tower.
Next to the clock tower. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you need any more help?
no, that's all. Thank you again.
Have a good day and safe travels.
Thank you. You too. Bye. Hello everyone. I want to tell you about my holiday in London. I went to London last month. It was my first time there. I was very excited. I arrived in London by plane. The flight was long but comfortable. I landed at Heathrow Airport. I took a taxi from the airport to my hotel. The hotel was nice and clean. The staff were very friendly. On the first day, I visited the British Museum. It is a big museum with many interesting things. I saw old statues, paintings, and mummies. I learned a lot about history. After the museum, I went to a restaurant. I ate fish and chips. It was very tasty. The next day, I visited the Tower of London. This is an old castle. I saw the crown jewels and learned about the history of the tower. It was very interesting. Later, I walked to Tower Bridge. It is a famous bridge in London. I took many photos there. The view was beautiful. On the third day, I went to Buckingham Palace. This is where the Queen lives. I watched the changing of the guard. The soldiers wore red uniforms and black hats. It was very cool. In the afternoon, I took a boat ride on the River Thames. I saw many famous buildings like the Houses of Parliament and the London Eye. I also visited Covent Garden. There were street performers. I bought some handmade crafts and enjoyed watching a magician perform tricks. On my last day, I visited the Natural History Museum. I saw dinosaur bones and learned about animals and plants. It was very fun. Before I left, I went shopping on Oxford Street. There were many shops with clothes, shoes, and souvenirs. I bought some gifts for my family and friends. Before heading to the airport, I had a few hours to spare, so I visited Hyde Park. It was a peaceful and green place. I sat by the Serpentine Lake and watched the ducks and swans. At the airport, I had some time to reflect on my trip. I thought about all the amazing places I visited and the friendly people I met. London is a city full of history, culture, and excitement. My flight home was smooth, and I arrived safely. I shared my photos and stories with my family and friends. They were all very interested in hearing about my adventures. Now, whenever I think about my holiday in London, it makes me happy. It was a trip full of wonderful memories. I hope to visit London again someday. There are still many places I want to see and explore. Thank you for listening to my story. If you ever get a chance to visit London, I am sure you will love it just as much as I did.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, how can I help you, young lady?
Can you tell me where the airport is?
Which airport are you looking for?
I am looking for John F. Kennedy Airport.
Oh, JFK Airport. It is a bit far from here.
Can you please tell me how to get there?
Sure. Are you walking or taking a bus or a taxi?
I think I will take a bus.
All right. First, You need to find the nearest bus stop.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It is just around the corner. Go straight down this street and turn right at the first intersection.
Turn right at the first intersection?
Yes, that's correct. You will see the bus stop on your right side.
Okay, I understand. What bus should I take?
You need to take the Q10 bus. It goes directly to JFK Airport.
How often does the bus come?
The Q10 bus comes every 15 minutes.
How long will the bus ride take?
It will take about 45 minutes to get to the airport.
Do I need to change buses?
No, you don't need to change buses. Just stay on the Q10 until you reach the airport.
What stop should I get off at?
The bus will stop at the airport terminals. Listen for the announcements or ask the driver to let you know when you are at JFK.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, young lady. Do you have any more questions?
No, that's all. Thank you again.
Have a safe trip, and take care.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.